Okay, so welcome back, and we're going to do another example, and this is going to be taking some of the concepts that we learned in prior videos and applying it to what we know about triangles and about line segments. So in this case here, we notice that we have this figure, and by the way, we also know that, let me write it over here, we know that line segment EC is parallel to line segment AB, so that's what we're getting. So we're going to use that to help us here. So we want to find out what these angles are, right? So not given angles, but let's see what the relationship is with these angles. So we know this is a straight line. EC is a straight line segment. So that means these angles, 1, 2, and 3, are supplementary. They must add up to 180 degrees. So we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 has to equal 180 degrees. Okay, just by what we know about supplementary angles. Now, we also can use some information because what do we have here? We have two parallel lines that are also intersected by another line. So what do we call lines that intersect at least two parallel lines? We call them transversals. So we have a transversal DA, right? And we have a line segment DB that's also transversal. And so one of the properties that we know about transversals is that it gives us some angles that are going to be automatically equal to each other. For example, alternate interior angles. Well, if I extend, right? So if I extend, right, this transversal out, right? I can see that alternating interior angles are right here. So 4 and 1 are the same. So I can replace angle 1 with angle 4. Also, if I look at this line segment, DB, that's also a transversal, so the alternate interior angles are also going to be the same here. So I know that 5 and 3 are the same. So I can change those two. And so I also know that this must be true. So if I know these two angles, then what this is telling me is the fact that I know that these three angles must add up to 180 degrees. And if I can replace angle 1 with angle 4 and angle 3 with angle 5 with these two, that means that, and oh, by the way, angle 2 is still the same, right, for both. So that means that, hey, if I know two of the interior angles of a triangle, I can use the fact that they must add up to 180 degrees to find the third angle. And that's it. See you next time.